In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF file in Microsoft Word. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a PDF into Word, so you can make clean, accurate edits using the tools you already know. With Word open, start by going to the File menu in the top left corner. This takes you to Word's Backstage view, where you can manage documents. Here, choose Open. Open is where Word looks for files you want to work on, including PDFs, and it keeps a short list of recent items to save you time. Next, click Browse. Browse lets you navigate your computer or connected drives to find the exact file you need. This step is helpful if your PDF isn't in the recent list or lives in a specific folder like Downloads, Desktop, or a shared project directory. In the File Picker, locate and select the PDF you want to edit. Take a quick moment to confirm you've chosen the right file. Look at the file name and location so you don't accidentally open a different version. If you keep multiple drafts, picking the latest one helps avoid overwriting older content later. Now click Open. Word will analyze the PDF and convert it into an editable Word document. You may briefly see a message explaining that formatting could change slightly during conversion. That's normal, because PDFs are designed for viewing, not editing, and Word is reconstructing the layout so you can work with it. Once the file opens, you can begin editing right away. Click into any paragraph to fix typos, rewrite sentences, or update dates and figures. Standard Word tools work here, so features like spell check, find and replace, headings, and comments can help you clean up and organize quickly. If the PDF had images, charts, or text boxes, they'll appear in the document as objects you can move or adjust. Complex designs may shift a bit. If something looks off, nudge spacing, tweak font sizes, or adjust text wrapping to restore the layout. If the original PDF was scanned, Word uses built-in text recognition to make the content editable. That's incredibly useful, but it's a good idea to proofread names, numbers, and special characters after conversion to catch anything the recognition engine might have misread. Keep the original PDF as a reference so you can compare layouts or copy tricky elements if needed. After your changes, you can continue working in Word just like any other document, confident that your PDF content is now easy to update and refine.